Hey guys, it's me, Wes, and this is Wes What's Cooking, the channel where I give you recipes on any and everything. Today I have a recipe for homemade oat milk, but first, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more recipes and how-tos. Now let's get started. So first we're going to start with the oats. Now these are just whole rolled oats, the plain ones that you get at the store in that canister tube thing. Get those, put them in your blender. Now we're going to add in the water. Now this is ice cold water. As you see, I still have bits of ice in it. This will keep it from heating up as the blender spins. Now we're going to add in the salt. This will add more flavor to the oats. We're going to put in some vanilla. And now we're going to hit it with the maple syrup. And I will have the exact measurements down below. Next we're going to turn on our blender and we're going to let it go for about 25 to 30 seconds. No more than that because it will heat up and turn to oatmeal. Now after we've blended our oat milk for about 30 seconds, it's time to strain it, and I do suggest straining it at least twice. So I have mine set up. I have a strainer sitting over a mason jar. So now we're just going to pour it directly into the jar and try not to spill anything. So as you can see, there is a lot of the oat particles sitting on top of the strainer, which is why I do suggest doing it twice because I know for a fact that some of those have slipped through those little holes. So I rinsed out my blender, poured the milk back into there, and we're going to do it a second time. Now this time you will see that there is a lot less oat particles sitting on the strainer. You can do it a third time if you want to, but I didn't find it necessary, so I just moved on with it. Once you finish straining the milk, it is now ready for consumption. You can pour it over a bowl of cereal, drink it straight up, mix it in with the ingredients. Whatever you do with the milk, you can do it with this. Now I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and that you all like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all take care.